Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukhsar Muzaffar, and today we will discuss about improving existing interface of Sir Syed Case Institute of Technology. So here is the content which we discuss about in the slides. First one is heuristic valuation. The first main point of heuristic valuation is about visibility of the system status. As you know, the visibility of the system status generally indicate about what basically the system processing, what's the system process. Well, let's take an example. If we download prospectus, it will show an error message. Nothing will show on this screen, so it will be show how much time are required to download this file. So this is basically a problem, and their severity level is 1. So it should be rectified, and we will solve this problem in our redesign interface. The second point is match between system and the real world. As you can see that on this screen, the website match between the system and real world because all the icons are cleared. Language used are quite simple and easily understandable for layman. So all categories are well designed. But here is a problem in this website. As you can see that on home page there is so much data. If a layman visit this website, they will not understand what is going on because news and events, extractions, fee structure, each and everything are mixed on this page. So recommendation is homepage must be added. If user is not a student, for example parents or any other person, it will be helpful for them. The third one is user control and freedom. This website have one good point and one bad point according to user control and freedom. So firstly we will discuss about good point. As you can see that the navigation bar are easily understandable, like we are in home to Department of Computer Science page and Department of Computer Science to Master of Science in MS in Computer Science page. But the bad point is that when we click on student portal, there is no backlink. It is difficult for a layman to go to the home page, and we will design this rectify this error in our redesigning interface. Next is consistency and standard. This website have contained consistency and standards. As you can see that all the categories and subcategories like menu and sub menus are equally dividable and easily understandable for a layman or any other person. It may be a student, parent or any other person. The next point is error prevention. So basically I have created an account in this ABCD123. As you know, full name contain in name category we will just write our characters, but this admission portal contain numerical and character data both. So this website is not suitable for them. So their severity level is 1, and recommendation for this input type must be specified. Proper checks should be applicable. Recognition rather than recall, though as you can see that there is a good point because all the things are as you in library sections and latest arrivals are available here. Status bar are easily available, but there is no search option for instant calling. Flexibility and efficiency of use. When we click on history, it will redirect to your VN and mission page. The link is not working properly. As you can see that here is a home and history and navigation show, but it will show you our VN and mission. So web pages must be linked properly. The next one is aesthetic and minimalist design. As you see that there is so many data on home page, so it will not be comfortable or not clear view for a layman or any other person. It should be rectified. The home page must be redesigned so it look attractive and easily understandable for any other person. help user recognize, diagnose and recover from error. This website have chatbot manager for help, but it will not helpful for to recognize error. I put wrong email address and name on admission form, but there is no error shown. It will take a wrong ABCD123 input type. So recommendation is check must be applied on input field. When user enter wrong information, the field must show error message. So the next point is help and documentations. Help, there is a chat manager available for help, and a description are also available for admission, but there is no any video. Like if a layman visit this website, there's who have not any information like how to apply. So proper videos, a demo video should be uploaded on this website, so a layman know how to upload or how to fill admission form, etc. This is our last heuristic evaluation point we will discuss. So the next is website redesign. Basically this is the main part of this website, like how many bad points we are found. Now these bad points are redesigned in this website. So this is our home page. We have redesigned, as we discussed in previous, that there is so many noisy data on home page, so we have to try to redesign this interface that look very easy for a layman or any other person. So if we redesign this website according to heuristic evaluation, the first heuristic evaluation, visibility of the system status. Here is visibility of the system status. As you can know, generally indicate about the system processing. So this website have a very quick links, like if we are going to home page, it will show you about us, and there is some menus are open. Our links are very properly and clearly understood. And when I click on our logo page, it will redirect to our home page. So next we will discuss about match between system and the real world. As we will see, we are in about us option, and if we click on vice chancellor message, let's say, you can see that the proper descriptions are available, and vice chancellor message are easily understandable for any person. So this website redesign according to the heuristic evaluations. And website have clear icons, as you can see that have clear icon, and their sub menus are easily recognized, like where we are on this website. But this website have more data on home page. We have redesigned it so the newer user understand easily. Search bar option are not available in previous website, but we have added this in our search bar option in our website, so it will helpful to quick response. The next one is user control and freedom. Navigation bar easily available, but the student portal and let's say we are in a admission and we will go into apply online options. We will see that there is no navigation in our so the navigation bar are easily available, like where we are on this page. So let's take an example about user control and freedom. The existing website, when we go on to apply online button, there is no proper constraints are available, so we have redesigned it. As you can see that when we go on to apply online button, so we have redesigned according to this page. Like if we go to the student name, as you can see that we have previously discussed about, like name field contain both characters and text, so we have redesigned it should must be in according to a format. So here we are going back to our home page. Next one is consistency and standard. Website have clear icon menus and sub menus, as we will go to in this. The all menus are available, campus life menus are available, all sub menus are available. Let's take an example about academics. So you can see that Department of Computer Science have already their sub menus. When we click on this, it will show you like there is all sub menus. So all the things are very properly managed. Menus, icons, and their sub menus are properly redesigned. So next point, if we discuss about heuristic evaluations, there is an error preventions. As I already told you, when we click on apply online button, you can see that there is no error prevention in previous websites, in existing website, but we have redesigned, like it will take in a proper format. The next point is about recognition rather than recall. This website does not have search icons, but we have redesigned it according to this format. One more thing, that when we go to a student portal menu about existing website, but the existing website does not go back to your home page, it is very not understandable for a layman, but we have redesigned according to this, and we have add a button that will redirect us to a home page. Like this is our student admission portal, and login, recent, forget password are already available in existing website, but there is no option to back to home. So we have added a button in this website, like when we go on to back to home, and we are in a home button. The next point is about flexibility and efficiency of use. Let's take an example. When about us, when we click on history button, the previous website will show you like there is no navigation bar, but here is this will show you about the redesigning an interface. Static and minimalistic design, too much noisy data on home page, but we have categorized it. We have add this section, news and latest event section, so the any layman person will visit this website, they will know how to go to any area where they are finding. Help user recognize rather than recall. User add this the existing website does not have this search icon, so we have redesigned it. All the icons are available and sub menus are easily understandable. So this is our redesign interface. As you can see that when you click on about us, all subcategories are easily understandable. History, when we click on history, will show you no change, and when we go back to the click on logo, it will redirect to your home page. Admissions, academic portal, and their sub menus, faculty members, and their sub menus, like we click on this, it will redirect to you the next page. So this is our redesigning interface. As you can see that here we let's take an example. We are in a student portal menu. When we click on this, it will show you this page. So icons are clearly identified, navigation are easily understandable for any person. Standard and consistency, like you can see that the proper language are used. It's quite simple and easily understandable for layman. So we have redesigned this interface like about online admission apply button, because the previous website does not have proper constraints, so we have applied in this website redesigning interface. So next we will discuss about accepted response to heuristic evaluation of my website, carried out by Alina Parveen, roll number 18. So she will identify a mistake about if LRS option is here, then student portal and faculty portal are not required. So I have accepted this because there must be a one icon or menu available which contain faculty and student portal at start. So I accepted this. Next one is not accepted. I have not accepted this. Drop down menus are not specified as what they are. As you see that we are in Department of Management Science, and it will show you like this Bachelor of Commerce, MS Engineering Management. So and I will not accept this because all the subcategories are easily identified. The next bad point she find in my website, there is no need for a job tab. I think so. There must be a icon available, but their name should be a career or jobs. It will be on your website, but because so many job finder person search this website, there is any vacancy available or not. So I have not accepted this. Next one, faculty member tab is not required here. The tab can be a drop down menu for academics. I don't think so. Academic contain your department, like take an example about Department of Computer Science, and there's sub menus: BS in Artificial Intelligence, BS in Computer Science. The faculty portal have itself like how many members are there in this faculty. As you can see that Department of Electrical Engineering and can BS Electrical Engineering have their faculty member, and MS Electrical Engineer have their faculty member. So I have not accepted this. Next one, home button is missing. I don't think so. There is a need of home button. When the proper navigation are applicable, and you can see that when we design this, if we go to any other page, there is a backlink option is available. Like when you click on to back to home, it will redirect to your home page, and I don't think so this is available. So self-critic on your own website, well, I think so in the faculty portal email, it should be either column like faculty portal. If there is a sub main menu, email in their sub menu. So there is a mistake in this website. Hope you guys understand what I explain in this website. Thank you so much.